All right, we are back. What's up, sixth graders? 8.3, example 2. It says find the surface area of the triangular pyramid this time. So not a square on the bottom, but a triangle on the bottom. So it's just one more triangle instead of a square. So no big deal. You guys know how to do the triangles. So let's take a look at this one. We're going to use a net to find it. So we're going to unfold it. And this is what it would look like unfolded. So notice how this arrow right here is pointing to the height of the base of the triangle. Okay, the base triangle. So it's 6 on its base and 5.2 tall. Okay. So now I got to find the area of each triangle and add them all together. So the bottom is 6 times 5.2 divided by 2 or multiplied by a half, and I end up with 15.6. And you want to always have your pencil and paper when you're doing these so you can write them down and keep track. And the sides are 6 on the base of the triangles and 8 on the height. So 6 times 8 divided by 2 or multiply by 1/2, and you end up with 24. So you have 24, 24, and 24. Now you add up the sum of all 4 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you end up with 87.6. 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 15.6. All right, let's look at another one. So this one says find the surface area of the triangular pyramid. Sometimes it's hard to see, but see how this arrow tells you that the height of this triangle on the base is 3.5.
Find the surface
And
area
this
of the
tells you that the
triangular
height
pyramid.
of this triangle is
You can use a net
7.8.
to find the surface area. The bottom is a triangle, and the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. You can see from the net that the base of the bottom is 4, and the height of the bottom is 3 5/10. So the area is 1/2 times 4 times 3 5/10, which equals 2 times 3 5/10, or 7. The sides are also triangles, so the area of a side is also 1/2 base times height. You can see from the net that the base of a side is 4, and the height of a side is 7 8/10. So the area is 1/2 times 4 times 7 8/10, which equals 2 times 7 8/10, or 15 6/10. All 3 sides have the same dimensions, so all 3 sides have an area of 15 6/10. Now to find the surface area, you want to find the sum of the areas of the faces. So the surface area equals the area of the bottom plus the area of a side plus the area of a side plus the area of a side, which equals 7 plus 15 6/10 plus 15 6/10 plus 15 6/10, which equals 53 8/10. So the surface area of the triangular pyramid is 53 8/10 square inches.
All right, there you have it. I know that's fast, so you can pause it and slow it down if you need to. Don't be afraid to bring questions to our Google Meets. Let's try a few together here. So it says find the surface area of the triangular pyramid. I'm going to have my calculator handy here. So I can see that the triangle on the bottom is 2 centimeters on the base, and this arrow points to this height, which is 1.7. So to find the area of that bottom one, I go 2 times 1.7 is 3.4, and then I divide it by 2. So that's 1.7 on the bottom base. Now, I'm going to do these tall triangles next. So we have 2 times 3, because the height is 3, which is 6, which gives, and divided by 2, would give me 3 on each side of the triangle. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus, there's 3 of them. Okay. So I have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1.7. I end up with 10.7. Okay. Here we have, let's do the base first. We have the base is 9. The height of the base is 7.8. So I'm going to multiply here. 9 times 7.8, 70.2 divided by 2 is 35.1 on the base. Then the triangles on the sides would be 9 times 7, which is 42, divided by 2, which is 21. So each side is 21, and we have 3 of those. So 35.1 plus 21 plus 21 plus 21, and I got 98.1. Okay, one more. Triangle on the bottom here is 20 by 17.3 is the height. So I'm going to multiply those together. I get 346, and I divide it by 2 because it's a triangle. And I have 173 for the base. This triangle on the side is 20 by 12 high. So 20 times 12, which is 240 divided by 2 is 120. So 120, 120, and 120 because there's 3 sides on the top. And I end up with 360 plus 173 is 533. All right, let's see how we did. Oh, I said 98.1 on this one. How did I get that, and why did I get it wrong? So we have the base is 9. The height is 7.8. So let's do 9 times 7.8. 70.2 divided by 2 is 35.1. Okay, that's correct. Oh, I know what I did. I said 9 times 7 is 42, but it's not. 9 times 7 is 63, silly teacher. So 63 divided by 2 is 31.5. That's where I messed up. If you caught that, I'll give you a pride ticket. All right. Keep up the good work. I'll see you next